Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy M30s. So recently, I purchased the POCO X2 and Realme X2 and a lot of other smartphones. So a lot of users are asking me to compare the display comparison and a lot of things with this smartphone, Samsung M30s. So I decided to finally buy the mobile Samsung Galaxy M30s and next couple of weeks I'll be doing in-depth reviews about the Samsung Galaxy M30s. So definitely friends, I'll be doing a lot of charging test while playing the PUBG game and even the battery draining test, because I'm very curious about the 6000 mAh capacity. How will it perform while playing the PUBG game and how it will perform while watching the videos or Amazon Prime videos. So definitely friends, I'll be doing in-depth reviews about the Samsung Galaxy M30s versus other smartphone like POCO X2 and Realme X2 device. I know it's very too late to do a lot of videos on the M30s, but still I decided to do for you all friends, because a lot of viewers are asking me to compare display comparison with the Samsung mobile versus Realme mobile and versus the POCO X2 mobile as well. So definitely friends, I'll be doing plenty of videos from now, starting from today. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and I'm very focused only on the battery capacity on 6000 mAh, so which is in the small form factor when compared with other big range mobiles. So definitely friends, I'll be doing plenty of videos. Stay tuned and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.